Let's take a look at the P88. This is the full metal BB pistol. Everything's metal. The only thing that's not metal is the magazine. It's very strong plastic. The gun feels great, feels very heavy. It's a small gun but feels great. Working safety as you would expect. Magazine release. Feels nice, very weighty. Okay, let's load the magazine. Okay, bit of a pain, but you have to load the magazine with one BB pellet at a time. As most of these guns are used as a sidearm, I guess it's not too much of a pain. Okay, that's ready to go into the gun. Safety off. Like most of the metal guns, it's quite difficult that pullback, but once it's set, it releases quite a lot of power. Great gun, never misses a shot. These are the 20 gram, the 0.20 gram BBs, a bit more weight in them. They fly a lot straighter, much more accurate. Yeah, it's a great gun. Love this gun a lot. Highly recommended. I think it's under £20 on the website. Well worth getting one for your sidearm.